Yeah, because now.
They're still working on it.
哎，师傅，这个弄要多久啊？
快点。
啊？来，
哦，
这会儿比较抽。
他们看还有什么问题啊？
暂时没什么啊。他们在跟那个大的墨迹合影呢。
说有油漆不能拍，不能给他冲了。
说了他这个也不听了。
看你要说好的。
他那个他说你那个。
Just check with them that they will be installed in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, because he has screwed the nuts too hard, so now it can't take off. So I had to cut the wire and to put the nut head on it and then rewire it.
So, when we start?
It's almost
Few
done.
minutes?
It's almost done.
Ah,
In 5
almost
minutes.
done?
So he's connecting the wire,
Uh-huh.
and it will be done in 5 minutes, so you can check the oxygen motor.
Okay.
And as you can see, they are also installing the riding ring right now. So we should probably wait for them to finish the riding ring and then go inside and measure.
So, okay, so what time?
What time we are doing right now?
So, not, before this procedure, so maybe first check the motor and
Yeah.
next go to the inside yeah?
So if the riding ring is not completely installed, we can go check the dimension of the front panel first, and then come back to the riding ring.
Front panel.
Yeah.
Front panel. But the front panel is